Namaste, this is JVN Dr. Rakesh Sharma, Professor Department Organon of Medicine and Homeopathic Philosophy, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Now we are going to move the questionnaire part of case taking. If patient complain of some pain, then how we can elicit more information? Show me where you feel pain. Does it move anywhere? What kind of pain is it, like aching, stabbing, throbbing, gripping? What is the character of pain? What do you feel during pain? Which type of pain? Drawing pain, cutting pain, stitching pain? Which type of pain? Because if we not differentiate the type of the pain, then we have difficulty in choosing the simile. How bad is it? Does it make you stop what are you doing? Is you feel any interruption from pain, any disturbance from pain? You have to left your work from the pain. How do you manage during pain yourself? What things aggravate or ameliorate your pain? So we have to probe patient to get complete picture. How often do you get it? Record whether continuous or number of times per day, week, month or years. The occurrence of the pain occurs daily or alternate days, periodically, 7th day, 15 days. Means we have to ask about the interval of pain. Some patient says I have headache once in a week, twice in a week. So these type of pain we can categorize in the periodical rubric. How long does it last? Does it come at any special time? Does anything bring it on or make it worse? Does anything relieve it? What do you do when it comes out? Or along with any change in the mental state during the pain. Some patients becomes very angry, irritable, weeps, crying from the pain. So we have to ask what is the mental state of the patient during the pain. How long does it last? ये कितने समय तक रहता है दर्द ये? Like whole day, for 2 hours, for 1 hour. Does it come at any special time? Means any trigger factor from this pain occurs. Does anything bring it on or make it worse? Does anything relieve it? What do you do when it comes out? Means any aggravating or ameliorating factors we should clear. Do you feel anything else wrong at the same time? It cannot too strongly be emphasized that in many diseases, a full and accurate history of the illness may be the only method of arriving at a diagnosis. So what is the importance of case taking? Because without case taking, without proper information of the case, there is very difficulty for us to select the simillimum. We cannot select simillimum, never possible. For physical signs may be absent or in abeyance, taking an average it is fair to compute that of the information on which a diagnosis is ultimately founded. At least 50% comes from an accurate history and rather less than 50% from the physical examination and subsequent special investigation. The history should then reveal the mode of onset. Now, the object of taking history, of taking case, is the to get the information in the following points: the mode of onset, whether sudden or gradual, means disease started suddenly or insidiously, what the patient was doing at the time, and whether he attributed the onset to any cause. In many cases, it is necessary to inquire into. Now, third point is whether the symptom is localized or widespread. Does it radiate to other areas also? The duration of the symptom. So, there are many following topics should be considered in case taking also. Whether it ended suddenly or gradually, its severity, whether it has occurred since, and if so, how many times, and is it getting more or less severe, what intervals of freedom have occurred when the patient has been entirely free of the symptoms. Have other symptoms occurred in association with this chief symptom? And if so, what are they? What does the patient do during the time of the symptoms to relieve it? So these are type of the questionnaire, and the object of case taking is these points should be covered in our case taking. Then we can claim our case taking is complete and appropriate. So thank you.